Welcome to Osteo Fitness Collective. The following video is looking at the best strengthening exercises around the knee joint. This video is part of a rehabilitation program to restore optimal function around the knee and reduce any tension that might have formed post-injury. The first exercise is strengthening of the quadriceps muscles. These are the muscles responsible for knee extension. For this exercise, we have wrapped the Theraband around the foot and over the front of the other ankle. We're in a seated position and gently bringing the leg forward into a straight position. Hold for a second and then relaxing down. Again, nice and slow and controlled with this movement, aiming between 10 to 15 reps of this particular exercise. The second exercise is strengthening of the hamstring muscle. These are the big muscles responsible for bending the knee. Again, wrapping the Theraband around both feet, we're gently going to bring the heel towards the bum. We are aiming between 10 to 15 reps, again nice and slow and controlled with the movement, and then repeat on the opposite side. The final exercise is looking again at a strengthening exercise of the hamstrings, but this time using a Swiss ball. This is slightly more advanced as using the core activation as well. For this exercise, we're placing the heels on the ball, gently lifting the body up so it's slightly off the floor. What we're then doing is bringing the heels towards the bum and then back into a straight position.